Morning, we're back. Welcome back to the channel. Getting ready to go to work. I thought I'd shoot some video. Got this 71 Z28 I picked up. It's a barn find. Been sitting in the barn forever. As you can tell, it got beat up pretty bad. It's pretty rusty, but we're gonna try to bring it back to some of its former glory. See if we can get it running and do our thing, you know. I've got some sheet metal on order, so we're gonna put a little bit of money into it and make it something. It's all original, still got all of its factory stuff, factory floor mats and stuff, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty rare with a car from 1971 that's still got all its original stuff with it, but except for the motor. The motor's changed out, they say. I don't know, I haven't verified that at all. But anyway, enjoy the video, and we'll keep making more of them as we get some more projects. I got Here we are. We're in our archaeological find in this Camaro. Finally got the trunk open, and there's lots of surprises back here, so kind of show you. There's lots of goodies down in there. I don't know where this car's at, but it's bad. And there's a typical jack, and the headers are rusted off, so the collectors are there with the muffler. So we're going to try to clean this all out, and actually the trunk floor doesn't look super bad, but of course the deck lid's shot, so maybe we can save the filler panel on the trunk there. Lots of mouse nests and stuff, so let me turn this camera around and I'll show you more of the interior there. Well, here we have our new car. It's a 71 Z28 I just picked up, and trying to get something going on it. It's quite the jewel. It's been beat up pretty bad by somebody. So it's got extensive rust in the rear of the car, but the front half of the car is not bad. It's just beat, the fenders are all beat up, and doors and interior's trashed, typical Camaro stuff. So, but it's a 71 Z28, so there she is. You can see the quarterback there is pretty bad, but we just got her. Fenders are bad. I mean, everything's bad on it, but it is a real Z28, so you can't be mad at that. You can see some kids that was sitting in a barn, and they took hammers to the fender or something. I don't know what happened, but pretty much everything's bad on it. Got it cheap, so wife's always wanted one, so we'll fix her up. You can see the extensive rust on it. I've done a bunch of these, so we'll replace all the metal on it and put quarters on it. There she is. She's not pretty, but it is a real Z28, and it's all original. It's got original everything on it. Even the original GM floor mats are in the car, so it's pretty crazy to me, but that's just how it is. We'll collect some parts for it, and might keep it a patina type deal, or we might do a full restoration. I'd like to just get it running. See, the interior is just horrible in it, but it's all complete. Console automatic. Doesn't have the original engine in it. We think it's a 305, but it might have the original intake and distributor and all that, alternator and all that stuff. So, but we're trying to do a start video, so I'm gonna try to start it. It's charging up the battery now. We'll see if we can't get the engine to. It's already freed up, but I'll have to put some fuel to it, and I'd like to see if it just pop off once. got her together. Had to change out the distributor, some plug wires, and a bunch of fuel lines. Got a temporary can down there, and we've had it running. It did start, but the carburetor's junk. It's not wanting to do anything, but we'll try to get her started so you can see. But it is running. Definitely got a carburetor issue, so I'll have to take that off and clean it. But for now, at least it runs. At least I know it runs. So took a little work, but we got her there, and we'll try it again once I get the carburetor cleaned up. Yep. Good morning. Welcome back. We did some more work on this thing. I got the carpet out of it, like I seen in the video. Getting ready to go to work, so I decided I was going to shoot a short video. So I did a multitude of things. Got the timing adjusted. Starts pretty good now. Got all the carpet out of it because it was pretty rough. Got to see the floor pans, which are pretty bad, which I already knew. And just a lot of work, you know. There's a lot of cleaning and getting rid of stuff that we can't use anymore. But had some wiring issues, had to go through the wiring. Kept tracing it back to the fuse block, and there was no power at the fuse block. So we did some tracing and traced it over to the relay on that driver's side fender, and that's got the main power runs over there and then through that relay, and it wasn't getting power back to the fuse block. So once we fix that, it starts right up with the key now. So we're making our way along, and appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll try her again later. Thank you. Bye. Well, we got the carburetor back on. Got it all rebuilt. Got all new gaskets on it. Fuel pump's pumping. So all we gotta do is get her fired up. Which I had it running a little bit ago, but I was messing with the timing. Let me get this camera set, and then we'll give her hell. Alright, we're set. I'm going to plug the coil in. I'm having power problems off the coil wire there, so in the harness. So we're going to get her. We'll get her fired up, let it run for a little bit, and starts right up. So just you have to give it a little gas. Right? Still not running perfect, but at least it runs. I didn't expect that for a cheap 71 Z28. You never know. I can't believe I put a wrench on it and it turned over. So that's what it is. is. Been a little bit of a struggle. I had to go get a carburetor kit and a bunch of other things, and we finally got her. Got the timing pretty close, so I put a light on it and had other things to do today, but that's it. It's running. Thanks for watching.